So, continuation lang tayo sa naunang video natin. So, kung di mo pa napanood yung video natin, is nandiyan lang siya sa comment section and description box makikita. Now, naputol tayo sa iteration number 3 and now, nandito na tayo sa iteration number 4. So, yung x sub L natin is ito na and yung x sub U is 2.75. So, yung formula lang nito para mahanap yung midpoint is you add x sub L plus x sub U and yung sum ng dalawang yun is divide by 2. So, ito yung sagot niya. And then, we solve na yung value ng x sub 4 if we substitute sa function is positive 0.221. So, kung ipa-plot natin yan dito sa ating representation, so, positive and positive. So, from x sub 4 to x sub u, walang sign change. Therefore, wala dito yung root. And yung x sub l up to x sub 4 is merong sign change. Therefore, dito na so, somewhere dito lang yung root natin sa shaded area na yan. And then we conclude na yung root natin is bracketed between x sub L up to x sub 4. Now, fill up lang natin sa table. Okay, so ito na siya. So, from x4, x sub 4, yung x sub L natin is 2.6875. Yung x sub U is 2.75. Yung midpoint nila or x sub 4 is 2.71875. And then yung value ng midpoint kung substitute sa function is 0.221. And then yung value lang nito is nanggaling lang sa taas. So, ito. So, ito siya. So, yan. And yung ito retain. Now, proceed tayo sa iteration number 5. So, sa iteration number 5, yung x sub L natin is 2.6875. Yung x sub U is 2.1875. So, nanggaling to sa nauna ng iteration number 4. So, yung x sub 5, yung midpoint ng dalawang to is 2.703125. Kapag substitute mo yung x sub 5 sa function, makuha natin na it is equals to negative 0.06. So, and then pag i-graph natin, so it is negative yung midpoint. Therefore, from x sub L to x sub 5, wala dyan yung root. And then yung root natin is located x sub 5 up to x sub U. So, may conclusion dyan sa baba. And now, it's time para i-fill up ulit sa table. So, ito na siya guys, yung x sub L natin. 2.6875, yung x sub U. Ito, yung midpoint. Is ito, and substitute mo yung midpoint sa function, which is dito sa baba, negative 0.06. And then, yung mga x sub L and x sub U substitute function is nandiyan lang din yan sa taas. So, retain yung x sub L, therefore, retain din ito. And ito is malilipat dito. So, ganun lang. Now, proceed tayo sa iteration number 6. Sa iteration number 6, yung new x sub L natin is ito. And x sub U is ito. Then, para mahanap yung midpoint is you add x sub L and x sub U and divide by 2. So, ito yung lalabas. And then, substitute natin ito sa function. Kukuha natin na yung value ng function is positive 0.0. At kapag i-translate natin ito sa graph, kuha natin na yung root is located between x sub L to x sub 6 kasi sila lang yung may change of sign. So, dito sa x sub 6 to x sub U, alam natin na wala dyan yung root. Therefore, yung root natin is bracketed between x sub L to x sub 6. So, yun yung mga values nila. So, fill up lang natin sa table. So, ito na siya. Then, proceed tayo sa iteration number 7. So, sa iteration number 7, yung x sub L natin is ito. And yung x sub U is ito. So, nakuha natin yan dun sa previous na iteration. And then, para mahanap yung midpoint, i-add lang natin yung x sub L and x sub U divide by 2. So, ito yung makuha nating value. At kapag sinubstitute natin to dito, sa function, makuha natin na it is 8.71 times 10 raised to negative 3. So, closer and closer na siya sa 0. And as you can see, closer din siya sa ating answer. Anyways, so as you can see, x sub L to x sub 7, yung may change of sign. Therefore, from x sub 7 to x sub U, wala dyan yung root. Okay, so, ito, nakasulat yung value ng naka-bracket. So, sulat na natin sa table yung nakuha natin data sa iteration number 7. So, sa iteration number 8, ganoon lang din. Paulit-ulit lang yung process. Yung x sub L natin is ito na. And then yung x sub U is yung dating x sub 7. So, para mahanap yung x sub 8, i-add nyo lang tong dalawa. And i-divide by 2, ito yung lalabas. Then, kapag nakuha natin yung value ng x sub 8, substitute natin sa function, then makuha natin yung answer is negative 0.026. Now, notice na yung sign ng x sub 8 is negative. Therefore, from x sub L to x sub 8, walang change of sign. Therefore, wala dyan yung root. So, yung root natin is in between of x sub 8 to x sub U. So, ito yung mga values nila. Now, it's time to plug sa table. So, ito na siya. And then, lastly, sa iteration number 9. So, sa iteration number 9, so yung x sub l natin is from previous na iteration, dun sa shaded area. And then, yung x sub u, dun lang din. And yung x sub 9, i-add mo lang yung x sub l and x sub u. Yung sum nun, i-divide mo by 2, ito yung lalabas. And ito, i-substitute mo sa function, ito yung lalabas. Or, it can be written as negative 0.0085898. So, as you can see, habang tumatagal yung iteration natin, mas lumalapit at lumalapit tayo sa root natin. Or kapag sinubstitute mo yung nakuha nating midpoint for every iteration, yun, mas lumalapit tayo sa value ng function closer and closer to 0. So, dito I decided to stop sa iteration number 9 kasi I'm almost close sa ating target answer. So, 2.70605 and compared to answer 2.065. Okay, so as you can see, meron akong root na approximated na 2.70605 with a margin of error of 0.035%. So, paano nakuha yung margin of error? So, margin of error can be solved using this formula, x sub 9. So, in this case, x sub 9. So, plug in lang natin yung nakuha natin values. And yung margin of error natin for iteration number 9 is 0.035% with a root na ito. Kung ito yung root natin, ito yung magiging margin of error niya. So anyways, ganun lang mag-solve ng bisection method using manual. So medyo time consuming siya compared sa Excel. Anyway, hope namin natutunan kayo for this tutorial and thank you for watching. God bless.